FlexiFile. Any workspace can get chaotic. FlexiFile helps to keep that chaos in order. Keep your desk looking clean without hiding your files. So your files are always accessible, whether working from home or the office. FlexiFile easily collapses to move with you wherever you go. It makes your job easier. Use it to sort by deadline, clients, appointment, and much more. This timeless, simple solution expands to fit any size job, from a couple folders to a full ream of paper. No job is too big or too small. FlexiFile by Lee Products.